In this video, we're going to be talking about the health benefits of romaine lettuce. Please say hello in the comments below and give us a like on this video. And remember to share it with your friends as well. So over to you, Ronald.
Let's get the spelling correct first. Romaine is R-O-M-A-I-N-E. Romaine lettuce, okay? Now, first of all, let me give you the benefits, then I'm going to explain to you about the time of the year we're in, okay? Now, romaine lettuce is one of the best lettuces you can have because, first of all, it's got the benefits are that it has very, very high in fiber, okay? It's probably one of the highest fiber out of any lettuce, except for, say, cos lettuce, but it does have a lot of fiber. Notice the second thing, because it's a purple to, say, brown color. The color is indicative that it is very high in beta-carotene, which is excellent for your skin, your eyes, your hair, and your eyes, right? Now, beta-carotene is very, very effective for blood supply. So romaine lettuce is about 6 to 8 leaves every day would be worthwhile, right? So beta-carotene, high in fiber, high in vitamin C. It's also high in potassium and quite a few other trace minerals, like especially if you grow it with minerals you love silica, and you love things like boron and molybdenum as well, right? Especially if you grow it with a lot of minerals in your own soil. Now, this time of the year, it's not very good because it's cold, but at the start of spring, which will be about January, February next year, that's when you plant your romaine lettuce. And then you can, if you plant it about January, you should be able to get it from February, March, April, May, June. Okay?
That's assuming you're in a country like ours, but if you're in a warm country, then it's all year round, basically.
Then you're going to eat all year round. Like, for example, if you were, say, in
Asia,
Thailand or Malaysia or Singapore, you'd be able to grow it right through the year because the weather is better, it's warmer. Now, so the benefits are that, like I said, it's very good for your eyes, for your skin, for your hair, for your fiber, for removing rubbish out of your weight, of your bowels. In addition to that, you can actually make it as part of an excellent salad. So what I recommend, if you're going to get massive benefits with fiber, when you make a salad, you put about 6 leaves of the romaine lettuce, 3 stalks of extra veg, so start again. 3 stalks of celery, organic celery, 1 or 2 tomatoes, 1 or 2 bowls of spinach, right? And you add to it a dessert spoon of extra virgin olive oil, dessert spoon of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of sel de garon, right? Mix it all together, stir it up, and enjoy salad as much as you can.
Or you can actually also blanch it and add it to your soups if you want to. Don't cook it, but just add it to your soups.
Yeah. If you're gonna add it in your soup, don't cook it with the soup. Cook the soup, and then at the last minute when you've served yourself, put the romaine lettuce on top, chop it up fine, put it on there, and in that way it will cook inside the heat of the soup.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, have it raw.
Yep. So let us know what you found about romaine lettuce, how you're gonna eat it, and have you tried it? And if you've got any questions, do reach out to us. So give us a like on this video, share it with your friends, and we will see you again next time.
Yep.
Bye-bye.